Hello, we're here at 123 Mitchell Avenue, property that's coming onto the rental market and is available now. It's a two-bed end terrace. I'll just show you we're at the end of a private, quiet cul-de-sac. So no through traffic there, just residence traffic, and lots of room back on the street there to park. And we come to our house through a shared pathway with next door. Bring us into the property. We've got some nice shrubbery and stuff at the front, but low maintenance with it being all set to gravel. And then we make our way around the side and we come in through the front door into the hallway. And on stepping in, you can see we've got living room, kitchen on the ground floor. But I'm going to start by showing you the WC. So we've got this down on the ground floor, and then let's have a step into the kitchen. So the kitchen is really nice, looks quite attractive with its plinth lighting, cabinets all in white. We've got a ceramic sink and drainer, you've got a ceramic hob and electric oven, there's an overhead extractor, and then we've got space to the side of this unit here for a tall fridge freezer. And you've got room for a small, probably for two, maybe for three dining table there and a couple of chairs. So kitchen also has useful little storage off it, and that contains a gas-fired boiler. And then we walk through to the living room. So living room's got nice, bright, spacious feel to it. We've got a large picture window at the front looking back out to the street that I showed you. Lots of room in here for three-piece suite and normal living room furniture, television tables, etc. So that's your living room. House has all been freshly painted through. Carpets have all been cleaned. Let's take a look upstairs. So this is just access this stairs off the hallway. And we come up and we'll show the two bedrooms to begin with. So the first of the two bedrooms, both of which are doubles, is to the front of the property. Again, looking out to the front street. Plenty of room here for double bed, wardrobes, chest of drawers, that sort of thing. And there is a storage cupboard there as well. The second bedroom, which looks out to the rear of the property, also a double. And that's your view going out there to the rear garden, which we'll take a look at in a second. And then finally we've got the bathroom. So the bathroom's got a wash and basin, it's got the panel bath, we have the electric shower and shower curtain. The WC is downstairs in this property. So we'll just go back down and we're going to take a walk out to the back garden, which we'll show you, which is nice and secure. And we've also got some really useful storage as well, which I can show you. So we're stepping back out the kitchen door. There's our lawn, a little bit of shrubbery here and there, and we're gated to that side, wire fence to the back, gated to the other neighbour's side. In there is a brick store, which is really nice and secure. That's a lockable store. And then we have this metal building as well, which is weather tight, really good for bikes, prams, outdoor items, that sort of thing. So that is 123 Mitchell Avenue. Just come onto the rental market, two-bedroomed end terrace, available now. So please give hunters a call and we'll get you a viewing.